If I ask you a question that AI is friend or enemy, comment down below. I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Today we're gonna talk about that. Is AI enemy or is it friend? And I have different opinion about it. First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe to the channel and comment down below what do you think about it. AI is enemy or friend? In my scenario, I am thinking very differently that it's not a enemy and it's not a uh, friend. AI will help us, human versus AI. What will help and what will be bad for we? So today we're gonna talk about that. First of all, imagine a world where machines are thinking, machines are creating songs, machines are doing drawings, machines are making decisions faster than human. Then what this is called? This is today's era, and that is called AI era. So what is AI? AI is humans and it's a humanity's greatest friend, but other fear is that it might become humanity's greatest enemy. So what AI exactly is? A friend or enemy? So in this video we will talk about this and explore complete story about AI, that it's good for us or not. First of all, we think about that good things. Is AI helping us? So in today's era, voice assistant, if you ask your mobile phone asking, they can give you answers. Alexa and Google and many things are over there. They can keep answering your things. AI is used in YouTube. Yes, you are listening right. If you keep searching about AI, then YouTube algorithm and AI decides that what type of content you should be served. So they serve AI contents. Google Maps navigation, self-driving cars use AI, artificial intelligence, to drive their cars. AI image generators just generate image in no time. You don't have to go anywhere with your cameras, and voila. So this revolution is very great for us. First of all, we talk about the topic that healthcare department. If we talk about revolution in healthcare, that detecting cancer early, predicting disease before they become serious, accelerating drug discovery and manufacturing. In some cases, AI can even assist doctors to make more accurate diagnosis. Yes, you are listening right. In education department, oh my god, in education department, AI is giving a lot help, and students face any problem or anything they want to know, they just Google it, and voila, now they just chat GPT or anything like this, and they know that AI tutor is over there, smart learning apps are there using AI, personalized education system. This makes learning easier and accessible for more people, and in cheap, in very cost efficient over there. Now in business and productivity, AI is working very faster for companies. Data analysis becomes easier. On old days there were people collect the data, and after that they um, fed into the Excel sheets, and after that they find it out the data. Now there is time is gone, just take the data's photo, upload on the AI, and they will give you all the things in Excel. And if you want to know what's good, what's increasing, what's decreasing, they will give you everything details over there. Automatic saves times and efforts. Automation has now taking over on human works in companies. Many business rely on AI, improve efficiency and other things. Creative innovation. Now AI can create image, now can songs, now can create videos, write songs, write stories, and do many creative things in today's era. The risk of AI is very great. Risks on jobs, data entry jobs will be gone, because now for taking just photo and uploading you need lesser people. You don't need a lot of people, so they can do. And basic customer support is gone on the next level. AI is doing a lot on this. Simple design tasks is doing AI fluently, not need to any person. Fake content and deep fakes, yes, this is a very big problem for anyone. fake videos are made and they can very harmful for us. Cloned voice, misleading news content, they can be very serious threat to information and trust in society. In my nearby, a incident happened over there that a boy went to the railway station and took a picture over there, and after that he uploaded that picture on AI and asked to make a video that a aeroplane accidentally falling on the railway station, and it looks almost 100% real, and people started worrying about that. Their family members and friends were coming to this station, and they wanted to go out, they have booked the tickets and they worried about it, and it's viral in few minutes. And after that police lodged a FIR against him, and he was caught over there. So that's very bad for us because that was a fake video and it's just changed everything. So privacy concern, that is very big. If AI system rely heavily on data, if not managed properly, this could be lead to misuse of personal data, privacy risk to individuals. So that's the problem. Control and superintelligence. A bigger question many scientists ask, that what happen if a AI becomes more intelligent than human? Yes, you are listening right. Some experts believe that in the future AI could become more powerful, and that will be extremely powerful. AI can kill humans. I mean, just destroy the humans functioning. The future of AI is great. Smart cities you can imagine, fully automatic vehicles you can imagine, advanced medical discoveries, space exploration technologies, and a lot can we think about it. The real truth is that AI is neither purely a friend or nor purely an enemy. AI is a simply tool, just like a knife. It can be used to cook foods and it can be used to harm someone, so that the outcome depends on entirely on how we use it. And so people question is not about AI. The real question is about human responsibility, how we are responsible for this. Now the question is for you: do you think that AI is our friend or AI is our enemy? So hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share with your family and friend, or subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this.